Welcome to our guide on booking the Alpine Start Shuttle. This exciting new route for your Lake Louise and Moraine Lake adventure begins at the Lake Louise Lakeshore parking lot. From there, it takes you to the iconic Moraine Lake, and later provides a convenient return trip to Lake Louise via the Lake Connector Shuttle. Whether you're an early riser or simply want to explore both lakes in one day, the Alpine Start Shuttle is your ticket to stunning natural beauty. Let's dive into the details. The Alpine Start Shuttle runs from June 1st to October 14th. Starting from April 18, 2024, at 8 a.m., you can reserve your shuttle tickets on the Parks Canada reservation page. On this date, 40% of the seats for the entire operating season become available. If you missed the April 18th booking, no worries. The remaining 60% of seats are released on a rolling basis at 8 a.m., 2 days before the departure day, throughout the entire season. For example, the second release of tickets for Wednesday, July 3rd will be available at 8 a.m. on Monday, July 1st. Park at the Lake Louise Lakeshore parking lot. The parking fee is $36 and 75 cents per vehicle per day. Remember to pay your parking fee before taking the shuttle. Parking is limited, so arriving early is crucial to securing a spot. There are only 2 shuttles per day. The shuttle departs at 4 a.m. and 5 a.m. The last shuttle back to Lake Louise is at 7 p.m. via the Lake Connector. Tickets must be reserved no later than 5 p.m. the day before your intended departure. Please note, the Alpine Start Shuttle tickets are not available on a walk-up basis. The first Lake Connector Shuttle departs from Moraine Lake at 7 a.m. Remember, your shuttle ticket does not include a national park entry fee, and your national park entry fee does not serve as a shuttle ticket. Both are required. For adults aged 18 to 64, the fare is $8. For seniors aged 65 and older, it's $4. Youth aged 17 and under are free. Booking online has a $3 non-refundable reservation fee. Booking by telephone has a $6 non-refundable reservation fee. Make sure to arrive with a shuttle reservation to ensure a smooth trip. Enjoy your adventure to Lake Louise and Moraine Lake with the Alpine Start Shuttle.